guys, I'm Tara, and today we are trying the Croc on Babe boot by Chinese Laundry. And this boot is amazing. As you can see, it has the amazing faux Croc look to it, loving the vinyl. It has also this beautiful flat rectangular heel, super chic, and then the pointed toe, which makes everything look more feminine. And on the inside, we have the zipper for easy on and off. But it has a 16-inch shaft, and it's a little bit wider, so those of you who have wider calves, this really works well. But fits true to size and absolutely gorgeous with almost anything, especially if you just want to wear it with a t-shirt and jeans. Beautiful. But make sure to check it out on our website. And if you like everything else that you've seen, follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel.